Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Pacetti. Today we're going to make a sensory bin using paper. We are also going to practice our cutting skills. Are you ready? Let's do it! Here are the needed supplies. We need paper, it can be colored or plain, a marker, pencil or pen, a pair of scissors that are child friendly. I only have adult scissors here, so I'll be using adult scissors, but we would prefer for the students to have child-friendly scissors, and a bin. This bin is actually kind of small, so if you have something that is larger, that is preferable. First, we're going to make lines for the students to cut. So we can have straight lines. Also, if your student would like to make the lines, that is fine as well. So we have a whole page of straight lines. We can do curved lines for them to follow. And if you're ready, we can do some zigzag lines. All right, I will repeat since I have 2 more sheets of paper. I'm going to do some more straight lines. And I'll do some curved lines. Before we start cutting, let's talk about how to hold our scissors. So in the circle part of our scissors, that is where your thumb goes. Your pointer and your middle finger go in the other 2 holes. And your ring and your pinky finger are at the bottom for support. So when we open our hands, our fingers I should say, the scissors open. When we close our fingers together, the scissors close. Parents, it's also important when students are cutting that they cut straight, not moving their hands around. So they want to keep their hands straight and move your other hand, their left hand if they're a righty, so that the paper moves but their hand stays straight. All right, let's speed things up, boys and girls. Whew, boys and girls, my hand is a little sore. And that's okay. That means we got a good workout. We're making our hands stronger when we use our scissors. Now, with our long strips, we can cut them into tiny pieces to put into our sensory bin. So let me show you. I have our blue one here. And it's up to you, parents. If you want to draw more lines for the kids, you can. Or if you want them to just practice cutting however they want, they can do that as well. So just like that, the students are practicing moving their non-dominant hand with the paper and then cutting with their dominant hand. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Our paper sensory bin is all ready. So you could play in the sensory bin with paper, or you can add different items to it. Right here I have some letters and numbers. You can throw in another type of toy or manipulative as well, and use your sensory bin to sort. Thank you for cutting paper and making a sensory bin with me today. I had a lot of fun. See you next time, boys and girls.